In this video, I am going to show you how to fix ntkrnlmp.exe blue screen crash BSOD error in Windows 11. So this should be a quick and easy process video. The first thing I need to do is to go ahead to your search menu, type in CMD. After that, just click on Run as Administrator to open up CMD. So now you will find in the description below a couple of commands. Just go ahead, copy the first command, click on Paste, then hit Enter on your keyboard, and then after that, go ahead, restart your computer for changes to take place. So just go ahead, restart your computer from here, as you can see. Then go ahead, open up CMD again, as Run as Administrator, then copy the second command, which will be also available in the description. As you can see right now, it says the system reboot is required for changes to take effect. So go ahead, restart your computer as I told you. And then after you restart your computer, go ahead, open up CMD again, and then copy this third command, which is going to take a scan on your computer. So just give it a couple of moments or minutes. After the scan is all done, click out of CMD and then open up CMD again on a new window. Then after that, just type in this command, which is SFC // scan now, and scan now must be written in one word. Then hit Enter. After that, a scan will take place also. It should only take a couple of minutes. After the scan is past 100%, just go ahead and restart your computer. So this was an easy and quick process video. As always, thank you for watching.